Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Reese and I'm a teacher trainer and academic manager, and I would like to officially invite everyone to my session at the Future of Training Conference 2022 titled Developing Reactive Teaching in Novice Teachers. When new teachers begin their professional journey, they often find it difficult to respond in an appropriate way to things that happen in the classroom, either to learners' ideas and contributions or to their language, for example, through error correction. This is something that we often notice as trainers and supervisors and comment on in feedback, but our feedback often falls short of providing concrete practical steps that these trainees can go through in order to react in a better way. In this session, we're going to look at some of the challenges that face novice teachers in reacting to their students and look at practical, reasonable steps that we can take as trainers and as supervisors to develop this skill in our teachers. Hope to see you there.